and then you can just.
What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be playing Create Color. What's up, guys? That's what you get, Cassius.
That happens?
That's what happened because I hate it.
No.
I'm gonna crash it on you.
No. Why? I swear, if you dig me up one more time, I'm like, oh, there's a massive explosion. Go.
I'm not gonna explode you this time.
This one. No. What was that? That's what you get.
What happened to my cat?
But our cat.
That's
my cat!
I know.
Oh, we know. Bro, I already died.
Let's actually do it.
Don't kill me this time.
I'm gonna have to get in front of you. No, I can't get in front of you.
No, do not kill me.
I didn't mean to.
Why did you do that? Now I died.
I died too.
No, why did you do that?
What the shit are you doing? I should not show
Hurry
this video.
up.
And guys, this is the next video in a couple minutes. So everyone go watch it.
No, you're going to kill us.
Run! Move.
No, why did you kill me?
I don't like culture without waving. I'm gonna keep. I didn't die.
Someone just got exploded.
I just got it.
No, oh my god. Because you just exploded. You got two little pops. That's insane. Stop doing that. Stop killing me. Stop.
Oh, you're lucky. I could have killed you. I'm gonna kill you this time.
I died too. Why did you do that? No, you go ahead of me. I do not like you, bro. Bye, lady. Insta kill. Are you serious right now?
I think someone's going. Oh my god.
Are you serious right now?
What just happened? I'm flying.
Nope, I had to die.
What just happened? I believe I can fly.
Why did you do that? Stop.
You're weird. I'm too scared to go first. Yeah. Stop trying. Be like a good boy. Thank you for the feed. Die. Hands in front of me and instantly die.
You're a bad boy.
Hello.
You were so close. Lady, you dead. You died.
That's hilarious.
Why did you explode the entire universe into half?
I did not split it into half.
Do that fast. You died. To go.
I can't. Hey, don't look at that tits. Let me have my card. No, I can't get my card.
It's good.
It's glitched.
Let's not.
Lady?
You're an actual lady.
I'm going.
Oh, insta kill.
Okay. Thank you for my card.
We're gonna go. Go.
No, the stupid guy took my hacker card.
He died too.
Now you can't spawn your car. Bro, let me just do it. Bruh!
You freaking this worse.
I made it worse. None of the cars will spawn. I broke the game. Bruh.
Oh, we all just got killed. I just exploded everyone.
No, I exploded everyone. Oh, that helped us.
That's good.
Why is the chicken jockeys right there? Chicken.
That name is audio.
Delete that. Thank you for my free cake. No, there's a bomb on there. Stop, Cassie. Are you serious right now?
That guy's dead.
You're cooked.
Love that. I'm literally here. Lady,
What just happened right there? Why is every piece floating?
because I freaking got cooked.
I'm gonna
Oh, you're cooked.
Bro!
How did that break us up? My back car is still in the way. You're gonna have to shoot it.
No, I'm not shooting it. Oh, I'm coming for you.
Let's actually end.
Yeah, you're cooked, Cassius.
I'm already ahead of you by a little bit.
Look over there.
That way.
You're going to possible shots.
Oh, Atticus!
Nah, I'm coming. If I get this stupid guy out.
You know.
You might. Oh, they trying to get through. You serious? I want to fall right there.
There's no way. We can't go fast because it's a piece of glass. I need to go fast. Why, people?
No, why? That's in my today's video. Bye, guys. Peace.